morning everyone. In this tutorial I'll just show you how we can access the Master Tamil free test series for class 10. So you can see I can select the test series link from the descriptions of Monster's video, and it's also there in other video descriptions as well. So I would just go to this link. You would see a screen like this, so I would go and click on buy now. Once I click on buy now, it asks me to log in. I'll log in quickly. So it'll ask me for my info. I'll select that. So see, it's basically 0 rupees I have to pay. So basically it's a free test series. So I don't have to apply a coupon code or something. I'll just click on proceed to pay. Now it asks me for my city and my mail ID. Okay. Yeah. So see, once you have completed the payment, you'll get to see something like this. I'll click on start learning. So see, anybody who has completed the purchase or who has completed the sign up process and finished the payment step, they would see something like this on the screens. So how do you access your test series? So if you see on the top, you have my classes, my courses, my tests, assignment. So we'll go to my courses here, right? Here you can see, I will see Master Tamil CBSE test series for class 10 social science, class 10 English, class 10 maths and class 10 science. So I would start with say class 10 English. I'll go and click on my view details. Inside view details, see under classes it's empty. I'll go to tests. So if I go to tests, you can see that the second test is gonna be live on 8th January and the third test is gonna be live on 15th January. However, the first test was live on 1st January, and to access this test, just click on view question paper, and once I come here, I'll click start test and OK, and you can see that I have the question paper accessible here. So that's how we access the free test series papers. As of now, we can only access the first paper for all the 4 subjects, and the second paper will be active on 8th of January. Now, once you have done with your test, how do we access the answer key for these tests? So, just how the tests are available under the tests header. Under other content, you will see in English, you will see the answer keys are also available. So if you read the answer PDF for test 1, which we were just attempting, okay, let's finish this. Let's see. See, so the answer PDF, I get access to that here under other content. So you can download this answer key and like evaluate your answers, right? So that is all. In case you face any queries, do reach out to Shimon sir on his Telegram group or on any of his networks, and we would do our best to resolve all the queries and make sure that you face no problems in accessing these test series or any other products. Thank you, everyone.